Isabella has 6 coupons that can be redeemed for free ice cream cones at Pete's Sweet Treats. To make the coupons last, she redeems one every 10 days until she has used them all. Pete's is closed on Sundays. And when she circles the 6 dates on her calendar, none of them falls on a Sunday. On what day of the week does she redeem her first coupon? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's count the days from the first redemption. She redeems on day 0, day 10, day 20, day 30, day 40, and day 50. So we need the weekday for each of these 6 days. Here is the key idea. Every 10 days, the weekday shifts forward. Since 10 divided by 7 leaves a remainder of 3. Each redemption lands 3 weekdays later than the one before. Say the first coupon is redeemed on weekday D. Then the 6 weekdays are D, D plus 3, D plus 6, D plus 9, D plus 12, and D plus 15. Reducing each one modulo 7. We get D, D plus 3, D plus 6, D plus 2, D plus 5, and D plus 1. Look carefully at those 6 residues. D, D plus 1, D plus 2, D plus 3, D plus 5, and D plus 6. They cover every day of the week except one. The only weekday that is skipped is D plus 4. For none of the 6 dates to be a Sunday, Sunday has to be exactly that one skipped day. So Sunday equals D plus 4. Which means D equals Sunday minus 4 days. Counting back from Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday. So D is Wednesday. So Isabella redeems her first coupon on a Wednesday.